Okay, so today I'm going to teach you to play Hot Gates by Mumford and Sons. It's the last song on their 2015 album, Wilder Mind. And there aren't any tabs or videos or anything for it yet. And so I figured it out kind of on accident from listening to it and watching some live videos. And so I'm going to show you how to do it today. Now there are two things you want to do. You want to get the chorus of the song, which you can find at Ultimate Guitar, which is the best place to get them. And you want to tune your guitar to a specific tuning, which doesn't really have a label or anything. I think they may have made it up, but it's C, starting from the bottom, lower, C, A, C, G, C, E. So you want to tune your guitar to that specific tuning, and then you can get started. And there's the first verse where it's just C. And the C chord in this certain tuning would be 3rd fret, A string on the 3rd fret. And that will be played, you might have to listen to the song for that part, but there's 3 lines. And it's played at the start of that, and then it'll come to the sort of end of it where he says on the edge again, and then you would go to an F, which would be on the 5th fret, middle finger, C string now, normally the low E, the 5th fret, then the other C string, which would be a D string on 5th fret, and the still G string on the 5th fret. But what you want to do is not strum it, you want to pluck it twice on the G and low E. Then pluck the, or low C I guess. Then pluck the once D, now C, twice, once, and slide. Go. But you're going to slide down to a G, no, an A minor, which is the same chord, only played on the same strings, but on the, you can hear the storm out there, but it would be on the 9th fret. Then so you do the same thing. So it goes. Then you would slide up to a G on the 7th fret, same chord and everything. So you pluck the low C and the G string at the same time. Twice, slide on the D, now C string, like that, only to the A minor. So it goes. But on the G, you want to do that twice, without the slide. So it goes. Then he says, "Don't look away," and you do it again. Then you're going to come to the 2nd verse, and it's back to C, which again was the A string 3rd fret. And it's going to be the same as the first verse, except you will not have the F, A minor, G part at the end. Then you're going to come to the first chorus, which is the same chorus. So it goes. You still want to play the G longer. And you do that 4 times. Then it comes to the end of the first chorus, and you're going to go A minor, just pluck the D and low C, then go G, and it's the G and low C. Then you can play, there's the other C, much higher, where you do, it's the same as the other chords, but it's on the 12th fret. And do that. Then you go, then you would strum C, then G, then C. So the whole thing would be the F, A minor, G 4 times. I'll play it once. That was twice. Or you could actually don't strum the C, G at the end of the second chorus. First chorus, I'm sorry. Just pluck it. It goes. No, do strum. I'm stupid. Strum the C on the 12th fret, which it's the same as the chords, which was the middle finger on the low C, which would be a C still, I guess. And then your next finger, not sure what to call, ring finger, on the once D now C string, and your pinky on the G string. So strum C, G, then the other C. And then you're going to go into another verse. And then you'll come back to the chorus, which is the same thing, but unlike the first chorus, it doesn't have the A minor, G, C, minor, G, C on it. It will just go from the second chorus, played 4 times. It's going to come to the bridge, which is which was the same thing as the end of the second chorus, which is A minor, G, C. You want to play the high C on that part. When it's plucking, you want to play the high C. And so it goes. You actually, I did it again. You want to strum on the bridge more, I think. And you can figure out the strumming pattern, it's simple. But you'll do it 4 times. It's A minor, which is the normal chord on the 9th fret, then G, which is the normal chord on the 7th fret, then the C, which is the normal chord on the 12th fret. Then it goes into a solo, which is F, A minor, G. So it's the chorus, really. Still want to do the G twice. And then it goes into the ending, which is the A minor, G, C. You just do a slow and strum once. So it's A minor, G, high C, A minor, G, then C. And just once and let it ring out. And the last C is the middle finger on the 3rd fret on the A string. And that's the whole song. And for the verses, you'll have to listen to the song, kind of when to strum. I don't know the exact part when to strum. So the verse is just a C, and then at the end of the second verse, it's F, A minor, G, twice, or once, then there's the end couple words, and then do it again. And then the chorus is F, A minor, G. At the end of the first chorus, it's A minor, G, C, C, G, C. Then it's the verse, and then for the bridge, it's A minor, G, C, 4 times. And then it's the solo, which is F, A minor, G, 4 times. Then the ending is the A minor, G, C, C, and then you go A minor, G, C. And so you just want to play the, like this, there's the certain pickings which are on the chords more, and then there's with the slide. And you just want to get the chords, and you can play to the chords, because it's just the chords with the picking. It's the chords and that certain tuning, which is the same tuning for I Will Wait, and Little Lion Man, and what else? Ditmas. A lot of songs in that tuning. And Sister, I think. But yeah, that's Hot Gates by Mumford. It sounds a good song. And you can do it.